HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language that describes the structure of the web page. It allows us to create web pages that contain paragraphs, headings, links, and block quotes. The output of HTML web pages is same on any type of computer and on any operating system, example Mac, Windows, etc. The latest version of HTML is HTML5, which was released in 2008. Hypertext. Hypertext is a piece of text that has special feature of linking to other documents or web pages. Markup language. It is a language that uses special symbols called tags to mark up a text document and instructs the browser how to display the text. Key features of HTML5. Some of the important features of HTML are: it is a platform-independent language. It allows us to build tables. It allows us to add a link on the web page. It is not case-sensitive language. It is a very easy and simple language. It provides a flexible way to design web pages along with the text. Types of HTML editor. There are mainly two types of HTML editors named the WYSIWYG editor and text editor. Let us now discuss these editors. WYSIWYG editor. WYSIWYG stands for what you see is what you get. This type of editor allows the developer to see what the end result will look like when the document is created. These editors provide various tools and graphical interfaces where the web pages are designed. Examples of WYSIWYG editors are Adobe Dreamweaver, Amaya, and Google Web Designer. Text editor. We can create HTML documents using normal text editors like Notepad or WordPad. The user should have a proper knowledge of the HTML commands to develop a web page.